What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Really excited because obviously, as you can tell in the title, we are going to the Daytona road course and racing for Nemco Motorsports. So pumped about it. It's a little bit chilly out here in North Carolina. Got my True Work sweatshirt on, but Daytona should hopefully be sunny. It's saying maybe a little bit of rain. We're gonna find out. Over at the shop, got the truck up on the pull down rig. Crew Chief Jerry over on the phone there. Truck's on the pull down, get some stuff ready. Got to get the decals a little later this afternoon, swap them out, and get to it. So fast forwarding from loading up the hauler, Jerry, crew chief, and I have made it down to Daytona. You can't, well actually you can see the track. A little back here, pretty cool. We're actually staying right across the street. But Jerry and I made it. It's about 11 o'clock at night, the day before the race. We're gonna get some good shut-eye. I think we're actually gonna watch a little bit of the race, take some notes, learn some things, see, you know, what we can figure out for tomorrow. As of right now, weather is kind of questionable. Now, it's time to watch the race. We got our Frosties, ready to watch the race now. Let's do it. Morning. It is race day. Jerry and I are just kind of getting tidied up here, getting packed up for the track. As you probably already saw behind me, it is raining. Obviously, we're gonna start no matter what, but hoping it dries up a little bit. We're here.
You got a damn GoPro on here.
What?
Is it going too?
Yeah.
There you go, right?
You're gonna drive it, you gotta be able to put the gas in it.
You can. He's the only guy I know that's qualified like in Charlotte. Turn around, look, he's putting the gas in.
Just about ready to start rolling through tech. Got the last and final decals on. Rock Hill Ace Hardware. Can't thank them enough for coming on board. Scott Olstein, thank you guys. It's gonna be a big weekend. But the BrakeBest game Chevrolet is looking awesome. Look at this thing. So we're through tech. It's actually starting to sprinkle a little bit, so that's no bueno.
It's gonna be a wet start.
Gonna be a little bit of a wet start. It's all good. Duke and Blake right here. Boys from Texas coming out helping out. Let's hope rain stays away.
Who's going to come out on top this time? We're about to find out, getting ready to roll 44 laps. Ben Rhodes and Ryan Truex on the front row, and the green is out at Daytona.
You never counted them down. Yeah, I know. It was like 3, 2, uh-oh. Get that set next, set 4. What? Four tire, four tire! What do you think, boys? What do you think? I mean, it's not quite in one piece, but you know, totally, entirely, but you know, let's go on. Yeah, you know, observe. Oh! What's up, guys? We are back at the shop Monday morning, bright and early. The guys unloaded the truck yesterday, and what a weekend. It was a lot of fun. Had an absolute blast. We had no clue what was going to be going on going into it because of the potential for rain. I've never made any rain laps at Daytona, so I knew that was going to be a challenge, but I had a lot of experience at the Daytona road course going into it. So we had a lot of confidence going in. But we're going to be starting 37th, starting deep in the field. So the game plan was stay smart, stay in the back for the first couple laps, let all the carnage happen, and go. And that's exactly what we did. Charged to the front, got up to 6th place at one point, and then had some troubles. Had to put us a lap down, and we had to wait until we can get the lucky dog. And that was just eating me alive because I knew we were running so good, running 6th. I knew we were better than a couple of the guys in front of us. This Nemco Motorsports truck was wicked fast. Wicked fast. And to have guys like BrakeBestGame.com on board, Rock Hill Ace Hardware, the Cookie Jar, and so many of our other great partners on this Nemco Motorsports truck, we were going to do a good showing for them. So I was disappointed that we had that lap down, had to come back, but we did it again. Came from the back to the front twice. Got up to 13th, just ran out of time. I knew we were faster than half the guys in front of me, at least. Good enough for at least a top 10, if not a top 5. This truck was wicked fast. I could not thank these Nemco Motorsports guys enough. Joe Nemechek, Andrew Nemechek, for this amazing opportunity to wheel this bad, fast truck. all the guys at the shop, which are 3 guys, Jim, Jerry, and Bo. They work so hard on these trucks. They are fast anywhere we go. I hope I can get another opportunity to get back to the racetrack again soon. I ran 1 race last year. I can promise you every single person in the field will run more laps this year than I have in probably the last 5 years of my racing career. It's all about finding the right partners, sponsors, get the funding, and RecFestGame.com, Rock Hill Ace Hardware, The Cookie Jar, David Hurt, and David Muscarella. Those guys made this weekend happen. I cannot thank my partners enough. It's absolutely amazing to see everybody come together last minute to put this deal together. Thank you guys. Thank you to all my fans. You guys are awesome too for continuing to support me through all this hardship. I hope we can get back to the racetrack soon. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. Head over to Go Forth Pest Control's channel as well and hit the subscribe button there too. Those guys make this vlog happen. Thank you guys, and hopefully we'll see you back at the track soon. You know what? No, not hopefully, we will. We'll see you guys soon. Thank you guys.